Hi, my name is Liz.
My name is Xiomara.
My name is Courtney.
Hi, my name is Kiana.
My name is Lorenzo Johnson.
Hi, I'm Denisha.
My name is Marquez.
My name is Jamari.
I'm in 5th grade in Moore Elementary School.
I'm in middle school, 7th grade.
I go to Muller Elementary. I'm in 5th grade.
I'm in 5th grade. I go to Moore Elementary.
I go to Buchanan Middle School. I'm 14 years old.
I'm in 6th grade. Go to Buchanan Middle School.
I go to Adams Middle School.
I'm in the 7th grade at Buchanan.
I make mean rice and beans.
And I like to listen to music. My favorite artist is Lil Wayne.
I like to play sports. My favorite sport is football.
On my spare time, I like to play football and video games.
And my favorite thing to do is shop.
My favorite sport is football.
I like to play basketball. My favorite team is the Suns. My favorite player is Steve Nash.
And when I grow up, I want to become a pediatrician.